Hi, my name is Marcel. I'm excited to introduce myself as short Tagalog online tutor. Masaya ako na maituro ang aking katutubong wika. I've always been passionate about helping students learn and grow, especially online tutoring for Filipino language. Kaya siguradong mamahalin mo ang aking tuturong dialekto sa iyo, lalo na't ako ay tubong Bulacan, isang Bulacania. I have 2 years of experience tutoring of elementary student when she was in grade 3 and 1 to grade 4. And 1 year of experience online tutoring music, arts, physical education, health or MAPE, and education sa pagpapakatao or ESP subjects in grade 8 and grade 10 students. I hold a bachelor's degree in commerce, major in accounting, and have earned a continuing professional teacher education units. I'm a highly adaptable and patient tutor who enjoys creating a fun and engaging learning environment. I'm happy to provide that for you. Gagamit ako ng iba't ibang paraan para mas madali mong maintindihan ang aking tuturong Tagalog tulad ng mga laro, kanta at usapan. I strive to create a supportive, encouraging atmosphere where students feel motivated to learn and achieve their goals. Kaya sa aking mga klase, matututunan mo ang tamang pagbigkas, gramatika at kultura ng Tagalog. I understand that every student learns differently and I'm skilled at adjusting my approach to meet your individual needs. I utilize a variety of online tools and resources to make lessons engaging and effective. So, book a Tagalog lesson with me. Thank you for watching my video. Learning Filipino language is easier than you think, and it is enjoyable.